Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 90 3.0 D250 HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find it has a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you're able to see that you have ample amount of room. You could easily travel with any day-to-day essentials you need to take with you. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now this vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 10,216 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Perhaps if you can't, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, wade sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Further helping even more, you also have the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. And as well as this, you of course have the 360 view, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this you do in fact have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 90 3.0 D250 HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales